Hi guys, thank you so much for being here today. It's a really lovely to be here and celebrate. It's not just paint, but it's art by Donna, organised by Aishu Crafty Kids Club. So there's 10 creatives coming today, and we're all celebrating the 3 years of Donna on YouTube. So it's really exciting, and it's a real woo and a real honour. At the same time, I feel so happy to be here and be working with these other wonderful artists as well. So I've got a lineup today of Travelling Tramps. We've got Kim's Creations, August Acrylic Art, Oak by Bettina, Art by Donna. Then we've got Louise McKay Art, Aishu Crafty Kids Club, Taslima Mayer Art, then myself, Marie-Louise Art, and then we have Sun-Kissed Chrissy. So I hope you stay tuned and really enjoy this collab. The theme is 3. So let's see what was created.
So here's a little glimpse of what was done today. We've done a bloom and we've used some really simple colours. So we've got a base coat today of light blue. All of the details of the paints are in the description below, and we decided to use 3 main colours of white, gold and a tiny bit of black on the base paint of blue. So just smoothing the base paint down, making sure it's nicely covered, all the sides and all the corners. Quite like the consistency here. Hopefully it's not too thin, but we will see at the end. So just getting rid of all the air bubbles. I can see a bit of shine, the gloss already. Okay, so now to apply the first layer for the bloom. We've got iridescent gold. I love this gold. It's my go-to now. I find that in some of my paintings I've used a darker gold and it doesn't quite have the same sheen that I like that this one does. But I'm always open to looking at new ones, and Deco Art's also got a beautiful iridescent gold. So I've got white on top and then another layer of gold and white, as you can see there. Really helps with the flow having these layers. Okay, so just a dot in the middle. I'm going to use a straw now to blow out the petals on this bloom. So what I do is I go into the centre of the black and I blow out gently with the straw. So you can see that the black then forms a bit of an outline for the bloom, but it's not too imposing. It doesn't take over the bloom. Little cells appearing there. I have used a bit of a cell activator, Amsterdam Black. Okay, so that came out really nicely. I'm just going to finish off the petals now with the edge of the straw. And then give it a bit of a spin. There we are, almost there. Spinning really helps the paint just to even out gently and form the bloom in a slightly different way. Gives it a lovely even spread. So I've got 2 more now to make up the set of 3, and going with the theme of 3 today. So I'll just spread up the individual blooms, the next 2, and I'll come back at the end to show you the dried result. I hope you enjoy. So as we come to the end now of the third bloom, I just want to say here's the dried result, and I really appreciate you all being here today, and it's been wonderful working with these artists. Go and check out their channels and subscribe if you haven't already, and I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for being here, and happy painting.